back to my channel. My name is Lali and today is Review Wednesday. And today we'll be reviewing this simple thing and it's so helpful. The brand name is U-Brands. I got this one at Target and it's the best thing I've ever bought, basically. I'm very organized. I try to be, at least. So I decided to buy this planner. It's a weekly planner. It has from Monday to Friday on the top, and then in the bottom is the weekend. Then you have space here to write, like extra space. Sometimes I'll just write like a list, or I'll write like a little note for the week or something. And then on this side, I'll write like if I'm missing anything, like another list I need to write. Sometimes like if I'm running low on a certain thing, I'll just write it down here. If I need anything to buy, like any groceries, I'll write it down there. And it's obviously in my kitchen. So I bought it for the purpose of writing the things that we're going to cook each day. So that way it will keep me kind of like, okay, so today I'll be making this and that, and you know, it'll keep me organized. It's really nice. I love the color. It's around here. It's like if it was like a cream kind of color. Then it's just white, and then it has this design along the same design. This is like one of these magnets. So if you want to like put like a paper, added paper here, you could do that as well. And then this is the marker that comes with it. It has the magnet in the back. This is the eraser part, and then it's just the marker. Okay, I had this for a while now, and so I'm just gonna write down, fill it in so you guys can see what how it usually looks like. I just erased it today, and I'm going to show you guys what I do with this. This is pretty much how this looks like, and it's perfect because it's in my kitchen with a crazy mess here with my kids stuff, but it's perfect because I am able to see every morning, and if there's anything we want to write extra on this thing, we'll just add it. And yeah, I hope you like this. I got this at Target, like I said, and it was, I believe it was $13 around there. I don't think it was more than that. Hope you like this video. If you do, please give me some thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.